Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can cut, split, or trim videos in VLC Media Player. So for example, I have this video example right here that I want to show you. Basically, this is a screen tutorial about this specific program right here. And the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and click on Tools, or it's going to be inside View. Click on Advanced Controls, and then you can see these additional buttons show up right here. So basically, this is your record button, this is your frame by frame, and from here you can just navigate through the part that you want to start cutting your video. So for example, let's start with the 20-second mark right here. I'll click on record, and then I'll play out the video right here. So basically, the way to do this smoothly is to go ahead and record the first parts, and when you're about to cut your videos, I'm going to cut it around the 30-second mark. I'm going to use the frame by frame button right here, and as soon as it reaches 30, I'll then go ahead and simply end or finish cutting the video. And basically from there, your video clip will appear on your computer video folder right here. So if I then go ahead and click this specific video, we can then see the 10-second clip that we have made right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guys to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.